Yeah, hello, my name is Bakri Ibrahim. I won't be repeating myself for every other candidate that wants to quickly ask about Amazon KDP. So that's why I'm making this video. The first thing is this: what is Amazon? Amazon is one of the largest companies throughout the world, e-commerce company, and the founder is Jeff Bezos, and I think Jeff Bezos is the third of, I think second to the man is within second to fifth richest men in the world. So I know you must have heard about Amazon. So now this is the gimmick. You see, all these company, all these giant companies in the world, they already have a lot of money to give out to people that can fulfill some task. And let me tell you the base of Amazon. Amazon started, I mean, the man himself, Mr. Jeff Bezos, he started the company by lending out books. He's not the writer of the book. Do you get it? Like, let me say, a kind of bookstore or a bookshop. So what he does is that he leveraged on the power of the internet, I mean, website. He created a website for his business, like, I mean, lending out books to people and people will pay him and they will return the book. So that was what he started doing. So, and that is how Amazon started, and now it grew up to one of the largest companies in the world. So that's Amazon. Now, how you can make money from Amazon if you are not doing e-commerce? So Amazon KDP um, uh, uh, is a kind of like trying to replicate what Mr. Jeff Bezos did at the beginning. Now, in this case, what we do, or what they do in Amazon KDP is that they you write a book, you post it on Amazon, and when people buy the book, Amazon will pay you royalty. And this is the thing. You see, there are some work that when you do it for a time, it can pay you for a lifetime. And one of them is writing a book. So when you write a book, you every time the book gets sold or someone pick up the book and buy from anywhere, even if it is physical book, you will keep making money from it till you die. Even your family member, I mean your kids, they can still be having that kind of royalty. I mean writing a book per se. So it is exactly the same thing that they do on Amazon. So when you write a book on Amazon, you write a book and you post it on Amazon. Every time someone pick up the book and buy it, Amazon will pay you your royalty. Do you get it? And once that book is still in existence on Amazon and people keeps buying it, you keep getting royalty. So it's a kind of a work that when you do it once, it's kind of pay you for a lifetime, in as much as your Amazon account is still active. So that is how Amazon KDP works. So how do you now get to know the kind of books? Because everybody is not a writer, everybody is not an author, not everyone can actually sit down and write a book. Now, in the training that I'm going to, if you actually wants to get started with it, so in the training that I will recommend to you, they will teach you how you can write a book with um, a lot of data that is now on the internet, because it is now easy for you to make research on the kind of book you can write and how to actually write the book, how to put the book or upload the book on Amazon, and how you are going to get paid. So everything will be you'll be taught everything in the training I will recommend to you if you actually want to do Amazon KDP business. And I've shown you the potential of that business. You can earn a lot of it, a lot from it. Even if your target is just like about $100 every month, it is possible. $100 nowadays in Nigeria is about 165,000 naira. So if your target is $200, and we've seen people making 100 consistently, 200, $500 consistently, $1,000 consistently, and even if you are in diaspora, if you are not living in Nigeria, this is the kind of business you can do. As a matter of fact, the person that's going to train you, Amazon KDP business. He's not even living in Nigeria. He's living in the UK. So and he's doing it consistently, and it's one of the things that is funding his lifestyle in the UK. So it's not even a business that you say it's because you are in Nigeria, that's why you don't have a job, that's why you are doing it. People in abroad, white, because nearly every online business we are taught by people in abroad, like the white people, they are making a lot of money. We have people that are making 20K dollars, 50K dollars, $100,000 from Amazon. And as a matter of fact, there are publishers, like a real publishing company, that they are posting their books, their work of art, like book writing. They are posting it on Amazon and they are making sales. You get it? Even if you write a book yourself, like you can post it on Amazon, and every time someone pick up that book and they buy it, they will pay you your royalty. So it's not actually, take for instance, you can even see Amazon as like a digital publishing house, or a digital bookshelf, or a digital bookstore, that even if you write your own book per se, like I have two books that I've almost completed. When I complete it, I will post it on Amazon. Do you get my point? So that's on the side. Now we are talking about Amazon KDP as a business. So that is how it works, and I hope you understand my explanation. So if you really want this thing, just come back to my DM and tell me to give you the link to get the website, the link to get the link to the website where you can get the training. Is not as Kolofa. So it's something that you can easily get that sharp. And the training is not for free. I think it's about 30 to 35,000 naira. So if you want to get it, and so just ask me to give you the link, and I'll give you the link to the website. You purchase it and you get on the training. And this is one of the things I will do for you. Aside the fact that you are being trained in the with the course, you are going to join the coach Telegram group, where you can ask questions if you are lost, and there's a lot of people there that they can help you as well. And if you need any other help from me as well, about probably you are stuck with it, with my experience in the game, I'll definitely put you through. So that's it. So that's how it works. If you need it, just come back to my DM and ask for the link to the website, and I'll give it to you. Like I said, I think it's just about 30 to 35,000 naira. So don't think about how much you are spending. Think about how much the potential money that is coming back to you. You get it. So, and this kind of training, when you get it, it's just a once a time that you spend money on it, and you get a lifetime value, because when you learn it, you keep using the knowledge till anytime you want to drop it yourself. So I hope you understand, and I hope you tag along, and I hope you actually get the training. So if you need it, just come back to my DM and ask for it. So peace be unto you. Bye bye.